An Oklahoma custody agreement, also known as a parenting plan, is a legally binding agreement establishing a child's living arrangements, medical and dental care, and school placement. It also determines the parent's child support obligations and visitation rights. In this video, we'll cover basic terms to include in the plan, how to file for custody in Oklahoma, and mandatory considerations for custody. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms. To create your custody agreement, click the link at the end of this video. First, let's review what terms must be included in an Oklahoma custody agreement. Legal custody, the legal decision-making responsibility for a dependent child. Physical custody, the legal responsibility to provide permanent residence for a dependent child. Visitation rights, any order for a non-custodial parent's visitation with their child shall provide a specified minimum amount of visitation unless the court determines otherwise. Communication, any information or record relating to the child the custodial parent holds must be available to the non-custodial parent upon request. Next, let's discuss how to file for custody in Oklahoma. The process differs for married and unmarried parents. Parents can file for custody jointly or separately. If they file together, they can submit a joint parenting plan they have already agreed upon. If parents file separately, they each offer proposed parenting plans for the court to consider against each other. Note that Oklahoma courts typically prioritize shared plans with equal access to both parents if and when it is not detrimental to the child. For married parents, the court settles custody in the parent's divorce decree. If there is no custody order in the divorce decree, both parents are presumed to have equal joint custody of the child. For unmarried parents, the mother receives default custody until the father files a paternity case. When both parents agree on a paternity status, they file an acknowledgement of paternity and petition for determination of custody and visitation, if legal paternity is already established. If they disagree on paternity, the father must file a petition to determine paternity, custody, support, and visitation. Finally, the court must acknowledge the following mandatory considerations regarding both parents or any other party filing for custody. Have they or anyone they live with registered as a sex offender in Oklahoma or any other state? Have they or anyone they live with been convicted of any crimes? Are they or anyone they live with alcohol or drug dependent and pose a risk or harm to themselves or the people around them? Have they or anyone they live with been convicted of domestic abuse within the past 5 years? Start your own Oklahoma custody agreement by clicking the link below. If you want more details about the custody process in Oklahoma, visit eForms.com, where we break down complexities into simple steps to help you confidently manage your legal matters.